Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to start a new lecture and it is lecture number 35. I have already uploaded 34 lectures in this series and I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched them, I recommend you to please watch them and then come back to this video so it would be much easier for you to understand. This is the code for the lecture number 34 and in the last video we have studied how to apply colors to the font and how to make changes in the color to the table. So I hope you have watched that video and this is the output of the lecture number 34. That was the example number 10. In the today's lecture we are going to make some links. As I promised in the last video, I am going to make links in the table. So now I'm going to start with a new file and just saving this file with the name lecture number 35.html. So here starting with basic tags HTML and closing HTML. Let's say the title be example 11 as we have already seen 10 examples. And now head close. Sorry. So now body and now table. First row, and I'm making some TDs. Some divisions like this. And now I'm just going to copy this particular row and just going to make one more copy of this. And now I'm going to give some links. As I promised, I'm going to give the links. So we are having the option to give the caption. And let's say the caption be HTML lectures. So here I'm just going to make the links to the different lectures we have studied here. Lecture 1 to lecture, let's say 8 lectures we can upload here because we are having 8 cells. We can make more. It's just an example and I just want to elaborate you how to make the links. I'm just going to elaborate you how to make the links and I'm just giving a demonstration to that. So you can take your own examples, you can make different tables when you practice, when you try the code. So 7 and 8. I haven't given the border yet. So now let's see that how the table is appearing. It's the lecture number 35 and I have just loaded it. So as we haven't closed the body tag, now yes, and there are some more errors, that's why it's not a we have just made some mistake here. Title. So now you can see this is the table. As the caption was HTML lectures, it's appearing at the top of the table. As we haven't given the borders, the border is not available here, not appearing here. And now some changes I want to make. Let's align the caption to bottom and let's give some cell spacing. I'm still not giving the border, we will apply it afterwards. Cell spacing, let's say 20 pixel, and also giving the cell padding. See, these all things are not necessary to make the link. I am just giving an example, just demonstrating the things for you to understand better, for you to get an idea how can we use the things. When we are having the tools, when we are having the tags, we know the tags, then how we can use them. I am aligning the table to center And now I am also giving the border 2 pixels. Let's say 2 pixels. And now this is the table. Now I'm just going to apply some links here. And I am just making h1 to the heading, the caption. And I'm also going to give some heading here, h1 align equals to center, and say web designing lectures, like this. So just giving an HR, you know the tag very well. I have taught it in some previous videos. And I just want some more space. I'm just giving BR, like this. So I'm just making the things look better, and I am just using the previous tags which you have already studied in the previous lectures. So hope you are getting the idea. You should also try these things by your own, making changes and applying different colors, different fonts, different content even. Sorry. So you can apply different colors. It's up to you, whichever color you would like, you can apply. So now I'm going to apply some links here. Now, as we have already studied in some previous lectures that to apply links, we have to give the anchor tag. We have to use the anchor tag. So here also we are going to use the anchor tag like this, and just the link and just the address lecture 1.html, and that's it. This was the address of the lecture. This was the name of the lecture which we are going to link here. So it should be as it was originally. As you can see, this is the lecture 1 and the name is like this. So we have to write the name as it was. So we have just given lecture1.html. So I'm just refreshing the page and now you can see the link is appearing here. I'm just clicking on this and now you can see this was the lecture 1. You have watched this video and this was the lecture 1. We have just given the link to this. So it's very easy to apply links to the tables. It's not too difficult. It's not too difficult. It's just like applying another formatting or fonts as you have applied in the previous video, in the previous lecture. It's too easy. It's so common as you always apply the links before the text we start and after the text we close. We just have to do the same thing always whenever we are applying the link. So just don't forget that we have to do the thing that we know. We don't have to change the name of the address of the page we are linking. That's the most important thing. We just have to remember that we don't have to change the address. We don't have to give the wrong address. So I'm just giving the name of the lectures, name of the files basically, which we are linking here. And now you can see that each and every lecture is now appearing as a link. This was the lecture 6. This was the lecture 2. This was the lecture 8. This was the 4th lecture. This was the 5th lecture. This was the 3rd. This was the 7th. So I hope you are getting the things. You are getting the point what I am trying to say. I hope you are enjoying this series. Share your thoughts and your liking in the comment box. If you are having any confusions, then just drop your query in the comment box for me to work on it. Please like the video. Also share it with your friends, with your classmates. It will help you and others too. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe Framework Educational Hub and also press the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. If you are a subscriber of this channel, thanks for subscribing Framework Educational Hub. Being a computer lover, you are at the right place and you will receive a lot of favorite stuff on this channel. This channel consists of different playlists, so don't forget to check the playlist section on the channel. This lecture is containing the content that how to apply links on table cells or how to apply links in tables. So the next video will contain that how to apply images, how to make the table containing images. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.